Hi, teachers and kids. Are you ready for the letter U? It makes the sound uh, uh, uh. Yes, shall we sing it?
Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain.
And here are some words that begin with the umbrella. Under. Umpire. Underwear. Up. Now it's your turn to work, and your job is to spot where the is. Okay? Puppy. Tuxedo. Pump. Bugs. Bulb. Now it's time to write the Okay? So, let's welcome the blue solid line, the red broken line, the blue solid line, and the green broken line. So, is a short letter. And it starts from the pink broken line. So, we go down, up, and down again with a little tail. Down, up, and down again with a little tail. Okay, there you go. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now. See you in the next letter.